Hi friends, myself Girish Pradhan, welcome to Plant at Home channel. Henna is a perennial tropical plant prized for its beautiful clusters of fragrant red, yellow, pink or white flowers and leaves that can be crushed to create hair, fabric and skin dye. Henna is a dye prepared from the plant Lawsonia inermis, also known as henna tree. In this video, you will learn how to care and grow henna or mehendi plant at your home. You have to keep your plant in full sun to partial shade, and it is favorable for henna plant. For indoors, this plant will be benefited from west to south facing windows. Henna plants thrives in the heat and are very drought tolerant once established. If you wish to boost the lifespan of the henna plant, make sure not to overwater it. In fact, let the soil dry before watering it again. Moreover, water the plant less frequently in the rainy season. Once your henna plant starts to grow fast, make sure that you have a habit of cutting them regularly to become bushier rather than growing as a miniature tree. They spread fast. The bushier plant tends to have more leaves in the branches. The average temperature for growing henna should be around 19 to 25 degrees Celsius, as it does not perform well in cold weather. To grow henna or mehendi plant, soil mixture is very important. You have to use gardening soil, river sand and organic compost. Mix all this soil, and having an effective drainage is very important for henna plant. An excellent soil drainage is crucial to grow henna plant. Take a pot, make a small hole and fill with a small stone for the effective drainage. Fill the pot with a soil mixture of garden soil, river sand and organic compost. Growing henna or mehendi plant is very easy, and it can be grown by seeds and cutting from the original plant. Purchase the seeds from a local nursery or the seed supplier. You can plant multiple seedlings in one pot. Make sure to leave plenty of space between the seedlings so you will be able to dig them up and transfer them later. It is easy to propagate henna or mehendi plant from cuttings. Take a cuttings of 3 to 6 inches from mother plant and remove the leaves from the bottom. Insert the stem in the soil a few inches deeper with leaves above the soil surface. Mist it lightly and keep it in the full sun. Henna must be harvested within the month of a new growth or the leaves begin to turn yellow. Henna leaves is used in cosmetics, hair dyes and hair care products, and as a dye for nails, hands and clothing. People also use henna on the skin as a temporary tattoos. Henna plant is generally not damaged by aphids, so you can use a water soap solution to kill the insects and bug attacks. And don't forget to remove infected parts immediately. If you find the roots growing out of the pot, will require a transplant, maybe every 2 or 3 years approximately. I hope you like this video. Happy planting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.